2, 3. How'd that feel?
That was so easy. Hey guys, I'm here at Laser Away Charlotte. I'm here to try laser hair removal for the very first time because I'm so sick of shaving and I hate ingrowns. So let's go. So I'm in my treatment room, I'm in my robes, and I got my glasses, and look how it is. It's so clean and so beautiful. Okay, so I'm here with my nurse, Barney. We're about to start my treatment of laser hair removal. So let's go.
All right, let's do it. Here we go. One little tap here. 1, 2, 3. How's our pain?
0.
And that's it.
I can't believe how easy and fast that was. And we're about to start on my legs.
Just wiping her down with alcohol. Make sure I'm nice and clean.
Alright, so we're all done with my treatment. I didn't really know what to expect, but it was so easy. It didn't hurt at all, and my nurse was amazing. And I'm so excited because I won't have to shave again. So thank you, Laser Away, for everything.
Ready to be a laser babe? 3 steps. 1, subscribe to our channel. 2, watch more amazing videos. And 3, schedule your free virtual consultation for any of our services by clicking the link below. Then we can be friends in real life. Bye!